stocks that are on the move today, and OMCs as well as oil marketing, as well as upstream oil companies are in focus. And that's because kerosene prices have been hiked by a gap of 5 years. The hike is not too much. We're only talking about 25 paise per litre. But how is this going to impact companies? Let's get in Varinder to understand the maths. Varinder.
Well, as you rightly said, the quantum is not high, but the intention is good. And that is why you are seeing, all the upstream companies are gaining today. Let me tell you the maths. The under recovery as of now is nearly 13 rupees, 10 paisa. The government provides for nearly 12 rupees, and over and above that, OMCs have to provide for it. So 25 paisa is now the hike. So that means less subsidy burden for these companies. As I said, the quantum could be anywhere between 250, 300 crores, additional for ONGC if you have to take their share. So in terms of quantum, it's not a big amount. IDFC has come up with a note in the morning. They clearly say, net benefit to ONGC could be nearly 1% of its profit. So not great. But the thing is, you have to club this thing, the intention of, hike in kerosene prices. People are expecting that this could be, as what happened with the diesel price increase few years back. Also, you got to remember that ONGC, Oil India, these are the stocks which are trading at the trough valuation, at least at the lowest valuation the last 4-5 years. ONGC didn't even move a bit, while crude has recovered from what, $30 to nearly $50. It's highly correlated to the crude movement. So clearly, if you see the valuation, ONGC is trading around, 7-8 times FY18 earnings. Oil India is trading around 6-7 times FY18 earnings. So on basis of that, you are seeing, some people are buying into it. Also remember, people are talking about that the production may pick up for ONGC and Oil India going ahead. While there could be a limit in terms of net realization for these upstream companies going ahead. But people are watching out for the volumes of the production numbers, which will be critical to map going ahead. So clearly, these underperformers, which didn't do anything since last, many years, with a whiff of some positive news coming in, they are flying since last 2 days.